Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete setup of the TP-Link Deco X20 mesh Wi-Fi system. This advanced system enhances your home Wi-Fi coverage and connectivity, ensuring a seamless internet experience. Follow along for a straightforward installation process. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find two Deco X20 units, each with its own power adapter and an Ethernet cable. These Deco units work together as a unified system to provide comprehensive and seamless Wi-Fi coverage throughout your entire home. Start by selecting an optimal location for your primary Deco unit. Plug it into a power outlet, and then use the provided Ethernet cable to connect it to your existing modem or router. This setup will act as the foundation for your mesh network. Next, download the TP-Link Deco app from either the App Store or Google Play Store. This app will provide step-by-step guidance throughout the entire setup process, making it easy to configure your network and get your Deco X20 system up and running. Next, download the TP-Link Deco app from either the App Store or Google Play Store. This app will provide step-by-step guidance throughout the entire setup process, making it easy to configure your network and get your Deco X20 system up and running. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to set up your network. You'll be prompted to name your Wi-Fi network and create a secure password. The Deco app will then handle the configuration of your primary Deco unit, establishing your network. To extend your network's coverage, place the second Deco unit in a different room where the Wi-Fi signal is weaker. Plug it into a power outlet, and the app will guide you through adding this unit to your existing mesh network for improved signal strength. After all your Deco units are connected, the app will complete the network setup. It's also a good practice to check for any available firmware updates to ensure your system is running at its best and has the latest features and security improvements. With your Deco X20 system successfully set up, test your Wi-Fi connection on various devices throughout your home to ensure coverage and performance. Use the Deco app to optimize network settings, manage connected devices, and enhance overall performance for a seamless experience.